What is up, you guys? Today I'm going to be showing you some of the highlights of my trip. I went and rented a dirt bike for 2 days. It was about 150,000 pesos each day, which is about $35. Right here where the arrow is the mountains that I rode. These are the Andes Mountains, and they're right on the other side of the beach. Look at where we're at, boy. Yeah. Beautiful valley. About to hit it. Oh my God. It's just so beautiful. I forgot how to ride. Wow. Now, for the way up. Just went through a river. Oh yeah, baby! Oh yeah. Oh yeah, boy. Oh yeah, boy. Ow. Oh my God, I just got bit. Oh my, right on my fucking shoulder. Jesus. Oh.
What the heck? Wow. That really hurt. Dude, why does this thing keep going out, bruh? Come on, bruh.
Sandals are eating it, but breaking them in today.
Fuck. Oh my God. Oh my God. What the fuck is that?
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, that thing is huge. Oh my God, is this recording? Oh my God. Oh my God, oh my, get me the hell out of here. Bro, that thing is huge! Oh! Ew, I don't want to stop again! Oh my God!
Oh my God, that was a python, wasn't it? I mean, that was just, I'm pretty sure that was a python. Holy jeez. Oh my God. That was a python. That was a python. I can't believe I just saw a python. Oh my God, it was huge! Oh my God. I can't believe that. Oh my God, get me out of here! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! I can't believe that! Oh my God! Wow! It's like still hitting me.
Dude, I just saw a real python in the wild, not some Florida python that's been freaking placed there. This is a real Colombian python. Oh yeah. And you know, I'm just flying my drone around, and I actually find where the Wiwa tribe live. They are over 90 indigenous tribes in Colombia, and I came across the Wiwa tribe in Santa Marta in the Andes, and this is where they live right here. This is all of their whole community, and they have everything they need up there. It takes 8 hours for them to walk up there. It took me 4 or 5 hours to ride a motorcycle up
Adiós,
there.
perritos. Oh my god, it's so pretty everywhere.
And yeah, I actually found one of the indigenous kids. He is walking down to the main road, and this is like insane terrain. I can't tell you how hard it would be to walk up there. And they only have their satchel with them. They all wear the exact same thing. They all have the exact same satchel. It's amazing that they can walk that far in that hard of terrain, and just to go get some bananas and maracuya, like crazy. He even walked right by me after this videos when I talked to him, and I actually had a chance to talk to a bunch of them. Check out the next video for interactions with the indigenous people. It's crazy. There's literally one trail that goes all the way up to the mountains to the very tippy top, and the same trail goes all the way down to the main road of Santa Marta. And that's why I came across so many of the indigenous, because there's only one way to go up or down, and it has insane views the whole time.
Holy jeez. This is a ride. Just got off the bike for a little break and found this. It's pretty horrible spot to come and chill. Sitting on a rock. What? This is crazy. Colombia, I love you, man. Let's go. Just had a little chill time at the river. Now on the way back. Oh, I'm gonna have to neutral it. Look at this view. This is how I've been saving gas. Yeah, baby. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Jeez.
Should I fly the drone?
Ooh. Let's go see an indigenous tribe, bro. Some stuff all the tourists aren't seeing. Like, you don't understand. This is literally in the middle of nowhere, like, in the middle of nowhere. Hi now. Problem is, I have no clue where I came from. Honestly, don't even know if I came this way or not.